how to change location services settings on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to control which apps can access your location on Mac? In this video, I'll show you how to change location services settings to manage app access and protect your privacy. Head over to your settings first, and then you need to scroll down and then click on privacy and security. So there you'll find location services. You can just click on it. So to turn location services on or off for your entire Mac, use the main toggle at the top of the screen. Below the main toggle, you'll find a list of apps that have requested access to your location. So you can use the switches next to each app to allow or deny location access individually. So let's say I want to give location access to my Teams. So I'll toggle this on, and I can easily toggle it off and deny the access as well. So your changes are saved automatically. If an app is currently open, you may need to restart it for updated permissions to take effect. And next you can see system services. You can tap on details, and from here you can manage location access for built-in macOS features such as Find My Mac, time zone settings, and location-based suggestions. So that's how you change location services settings on your MacBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.